Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA Batamai ke Sohïong constituency ubak Synshar lingdo hadin ke Jingieid ulakran bikilat pathai kubor mentang singi ke khatlai tere gujemang arajar arpulai ha ka baula ai ke jingkublai shiki bak Sohïong constituency ke belakarshan rat ba ya ha kini ke election ubak Synshar uloong ba ke Jingieid ba ke Jingieid jong ki ba bat ke dei rukum ke kubor ba hapok Sohïong amdei banwan da ke bor Pisa hendai Thied yu ba da ke Jingieid ha ke juk kubor ba Synshar uloong ru ba kwa tăng bằng nong unong mi khmat hendai kwa ru banong unong thau an
Declaration of results of election under section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya adjourned AC from 23 Sohïong ST Assembly constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961, I declare that Synshar Royal in Northba, Mount of the Lake Sohïong, East Hills District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of the House from the above constituency.
Try kandat, kamu baju kamat, kani dia kam kaba nasib kani dia kam kentang, nang ni kamat dong IT behok try kandat un sumar un yalam nanti yang aban pej ya ka constituency Briew kumjuru ya ka stiri.
So what will be your priorities?
Bagi expect bagi job atau lahir jatuh yang formal MLA.
I think it is the love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan lej pajba hi lawan hi daga mensim daga Jingieid ganir ka diga strong message ba hapo Sohïong wajuan daga bor Pisa Thied yu pajba daga Jingieid.
What will be your priorities?
Ngating along ba I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like main campaign subject jungi public campaign.
So what do you think about this demand for the review of the reservation policy?
Let's see, let's wait. I have no other comments tomorrow onwards. Obviously, tate nama boleh imahel at tribun kikam kimati jangi kibabon po Sohïong constituency. I am a continuation of his work kumala juangi so ngan le kat bangala mandor penting Briew syusyu ya Sohïong constituency.
So now you will repair the damage that has been done, like your uncle has stated.
Yeah, obviously, it's been a drought in the last 5 years. I think from today onwards, I think starts a new era for Sohïong constituency.
So what made the difference? Because NPP had all the machinery with them. So what made the difference?
Like I have said, like come to Sohïong constituency. This is a clear message. Do not come and buy people with money. Come with love. This is a strong message. Obviously, sympathy vote. Kade, Jingieid jong pajba i mahe. Taka jong i nami mangate. So pajba kadon kasempati buat.
Kiki tagi jingduna try aga Sohïong constituency ba pipi kwa ban wanra taga jingkelang.
I think I have to start from zero again after everything whatever my uncle has done. So Jingkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards. Because I'm from there. I know a lot about Sohïong constituency.
Kawai nak kijing ang no tunti nong terbut ang teki ang naba ikwa ba kendor na dalam college ke ba baka nang ba nong Sohïong kendor kamsi orang cukup slow. Tu ya kena tin kendor na tadi tu.
Qatar Kadehi to upgrade all educational institution. That is my first priority. So mukwa Briew bikin dan kita ki drop out. Kunjur upgrade the education system for Sohïong constituency. That is a priority.